हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ज्योति सोनी, स्पेशल काउंसलर एंड ट्रेनर। आज इस वीडियो में हम स्विच वर्ड्स और उनकी मीनिंग्स डिस्कस करेंगे, जिन्हें चैंट करके आप लाइफ की डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। आप अपने गोल्स को मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं। नंबर 1 इज चार्म। चार्म मीन्स मैनिफेस्ट योर हार्ट डिजायर. That can be health, wealth, relationship, or job. Just chant charm with intention in your mind. Next master switch word is count. Count we chant just to manifest money, to attract money in our life. Next master switch word is cancel. Cancel we use to eliminate negativity, unwanted conditions, eliminate negative unwanted thoughts, cancel worries, eliminate poverty, eliminate debt. In such kind of situations, we can chant cancel. Next master switch word is curve. Curve is we can chant to create beauty, to make something beautiful, shaped. You can chant this switch word for weight loss. Next master switch word is circulate. Circulate we chant to end loneliness and to mingle with others. One more good switch word is confess. Confess is to end aggression issues. So these are few master switch words we can declare, chant, affirm, and achieve different goals of our life. Manifest anything in our life. Dear friends, chant these switch words and share your success stories with me. Share your small experiences with me. Thanks for listening me. Divine thanks.